Hey there, I'm Pewter, product lead at Mailtrap. In this video, I'll show you how to test HTML email templates with Mailtrap. Let's start by creating a project if we don't have one already. Go to Email Testing and click Add Project. Then click Add Inbox within the project to create a new inbox. I already have the project and inbox that I'm using for this test, so I'll just continue. Now, go to Templates and choose the template you want to test. I'll use this one. It contains multiple variables that we can play around with while testing. Navigate to the Integration tab and set the toggle to Email Testing. Click Integrate. On the next screen, choose Email Testing Inbox. I'll be using Staging 1. You'll see the relevant API parameters, such as Host, API Token, Template UUID, and Inbox ID. Below the parameters, you'll find code samples for different programming languages and frameworks, as well as SDKs for PHP, Node.js, and more. To test the template, I'll use the Mailtrap PHP SDK. It'll take me back in time to my days as a PHP developer. It would have been nice to have Mailtrap email testing back then. You can click the Mailtrap PHP package below the code sample to view detailed documentation on GitHub. Okay, let's come back to Mailtrap. Open your PHP project and make sure you've installed Composer. Then, go to GitHub and copy the Composer require command to install the Mailtrap PHP client. Run the command in a terminal and wait for the installation to be completed. With the client installed, copy the script from Mailtrap and paste it into the index.php file. Under Template Variables, add the data that will replace the variables in the template. Change the from and to email addresses if you want to, but make sure that the from email address contains the domain you've added and verified in Mailtrap. Run the script and return to Mailtrap. Go to Email Testing and open the inbox you selected for the test. The HTML template should be right there. You can preview the template with desktop, tablet, and mobile screen sizes. You should check that the variable data was passed correctly. It's also a good idea to click each button and link to check the template for broken links. Then, move to the HTML source tab to view the HTML code. The HTML check tab shows the market support for various HTML elements. You can filter the results based on devices or mailbox providers. And as you scroll down, you'll see all of the elements that may cause errors in respective email clients. Next to Found on Lines, click on the specific number to view the line of code with an unsupported element in the HTML source tab. Once you've examined the HTML, go to the Spam Analysis tab to view the spam report that uses Spam Assassin data. You'll see the overall score, which should be below 5. As you can see, we don't have anything to worry about with this template. It's like it was made for a demonstration video or something. The table next to the spam score lists all of the analyzed rules, as well as their descriptions and scores. Below the spam report, you'll also find the blacklist report that shows you if your IP or domain is listed in any of the major blacklists. Finally, open the Tech Info tab to view SMTP transaction info and email headers. Under email headers, apart from the standard headers, you'll see all of the template variables, the data that you passed, and the template that you tested. If your template contains a text version, and it really should, you can go to the Text tab to ensure that the text and HTML versions are the same. A text version helps with the deliverability and makes your emails accessible if the HTML version doesn't render correctly. Mailtrap email testing also has a manual forwarding feature for all paid plans, and it allows you to forward the email to the desired email address and view it in an actual email client. To use it, click the gear icon and go to the Manual Forwarding tab. Enter the email address and click Add Email. A confirmation email will be sent to it, and you must confirm the email before receiving any forwards there. Once you confirm the email address, you can start using the manual forwarding feature. Now, you can view the email and template in your email client. If you regularly run tests and want your email templates to be sent to whitelisted addresses, you can use Mailtrap's auto-forwarding feature. Emails sent to these addresses will be delivered to the recipient's mailboxes, while any other emails will be captured in the Mailtrap virtual inbox as usual. Once again, click the gear icon, but this time navigate to the Auto Forwarding tab. Here, you can add an email address or domain that will be whitelisted. Simply type the emails or domains and confirm the action by clicking the Add button. You will still need to verify them, of course. That's all for today. Remember, The testing process is the same regardless of the editor you choose when creating the template. By the way, to learn how to build templates with our drag and drop and HTML email editors, watch our dedicated tutorial. See you there!